In this video, I will show you how to turn on automatic app updates on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started. The automatic app update feature helps in downloading multiple updates on each device. Once enabled, your iOS devices will automatically download updates for any apps as they become available. First, open Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now scroll down and tap App Store. Under Automatic Download section, you will find an option App Updates with Toggle Switch. Simply turn on Toggle Switch next to App Updates. With App Updates turned on, updates happen automatically as they become available. You no longer need to manually update each app on every device. So that is how you can turn on automatic app updates on iPhone and iPad. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.